Guys, I'm at finally made it to the pond in the Denver Botanical Gardens. There's so much to see here that I probably could spend at least a few days here. I really highly recommend this place for a day, tourist experience. It's really amazing if you like greenery, plants, ponds. This is a Japanese motif. There's a little temple. I don't see any fish yet, but we'll scope it out. I'm making my way around pretty slowly here because there's so many gems to see, but let me kind of skim around here, give you a 360. Take some nice deep breaths, breathing in the great, exhaling whatever no longer serves you. Okay, we'll see you soon. Give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Dr. Michelle signing off.